In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unable to initialize Steam API error. Let's just get straight into it. First thing you can try is add Steam to your firewall. Hit the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and click Allow an app through Windows Defender Firewall. Hit Change Settings, then press S on your keyboard to scroll down to Steam. You're going to see 3 checkboxes. Make sure all 3 are ticked. Now, if Steam isn't showing up in that list, don't worry. Right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop, hit Open File Location, then right-click again and open File Location one more time. That'll bring you to the actual Steam folder where you'll see SteamAPI. Copy the path at the top, go back to the firewall window, click Allow another app, hit Browse, paste the path, press Enter, and select steam.exe. Click Open, then Add. And again, just make sure all 3 boxes are checked. If that didn't fix it, try this next. Go back to that same Steam folder, right-click Steam.exe, go to Properties, and click the Compatibility tab. Check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply, then OK, and see if that does the trick. And if you're still having the issue, just do a clean reinstall, search for Apps and Features, find Steam, uninstall it, then head to Google and download a fresh copy. Sometimes that's all it takes. And that's it! Those are the 3 fixes that should sort this out for you. I really hope this helped. If it did, drop a like and subscribe. It genuinely helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.